Enjoying a walk in the UC Davis Agricultural Campus and the Arboretum and an oak grove. Beautiful day in February. I was pleased to see this Texas oak, and the campus is undertaking a program to diversify their tree canopy. And the Texas oak is one they've identified as resilient and adaptable to climate change and to extremes in temperature and drought. Quercus fusiformis and the white oak family. Yeah, very similar to the other live oaks in that variety. We've got fruit trees blooming since we're in February. Almonds, peaches. Yeah, beautiful February day here in California. Beautiful long shadows. And some of the oaks are deciduous, as you can see. There's a range.